Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. I'm super excited to announce that we have another new nail artist joining the Cute Polish team, and her name is Erin. In today's video, she will be showing you 5 super cute and easy spring-inspired nail art designs. Be sure to give Erin a warm welcome in the comments below, and let her know which of these 5 designs were your favorites.
Hey guys, it's Erin. To start off this nail look, I'm applying a base coat to all my nails. For this first design, I'm starting with a white base, and then I'm going to be doing a pastel dotacure. So I'm starting off with some larger dots at the bottom of my nail, and then going back in with some other colors with some smaller dots, just so they fade out as they get closer to my cuticle. You can use as many colors or put as many dots as you'd like for this. For my next nail, I'm starting with a light blue base. Then I'm going to be doing some cherry blossoms, since those always remind me of spring. So I'm starting off with a dotting tool and creating 5 dots and then filling in the center. And I'm making some smaller flowers around the bigger flower. Then with a small brush and some green nail polish, I'm painting some leaves around the flowers. Now to add some more detail to the flowers, I'm taking a dotting tool and a white nail polish and adding a dot of white to the center of each, and then a dot of a darker pink over the white. For this next design, I'm starting with a white base again, and since you can't have any spring flowers without some showers, I'm painting a little rain cloud on this nail. To do the cloud, I'm taking a dotting tool and a light gray nail polish and just creating some dots to form the shape of a cloud. Then I'm taking a smaller dotting tool and that same light blue nail polish I used earlier and creating some raindrops underneath the cloud. Once those are dry, I'm going back in with a small brush and adding a little triangle to the top of each dot to create a teardrop shape. For my next nail, I'm starting off with a light blue base again. Then I'm taking that dark green polish and a small brush and pulling upwards from the bottom of my nail to create some grass. Then I'm creating 2 longer lines to act as the stems for the flowers. Then I'm taking a dotting tool and white polish to create some little daisies on the top of those stems. And to finish off the daisies, I'm adding a dot of yellow to the center of each flower. For this last design, I'm starting with a mint green base. And I'm going to be painting a monarch butterfly, so I'm taking this coral orange polish, and I'm painting the outline of one butterfly wing. I really just want this to be an accent on one side of my nail, but you can also paint the whole butterfly if you'd like. Then I'm taking a black nail polish and outlining the shape I just painted. Then separate the wings by painting a stripe down the middle. and create the outlines of the monarch butterfly wing by dividing the wing into sections and then rounding the edges. I'm also painting a little antenna coming from the top. And to really bring your butterfly to life, take a white polish and a dotting tool and add some little dots on the outside of the wing. Finally, apply a layer of top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. If you want to see more Cute Polish tutorials, you can click on these boxes here and subscribe to Cute Polish by clicking the circle here for a new video every week. You can also subscribe to my personal nail channel by clicking the circle here.